Biological control of pest and disease is the method of priority in organic farming. Use of parasitoids is one of them. Trichogramma insect, belonging to the group of wasps, is the popular one. This attacks the eggs of most of the insects. Trichogramma female injects its egg into the eggs of other insects. The larva eats all the content of the host egg. Trichogramma is effective on stem borers of paddy and sugarcane and cotton bollworm. Trichogramma eggs are produced in the lab. Egg card is stapled to the crop at the rate of 40,000 eggs per acre. Many species of wasps and few species of flies are useful as parasitoids. These insects develop on or inside the body of other insects and kill the host. Use of predator insects is another important method of biological pest control. Natural enemy of the pest insect is identified first. Then, it is developed in the lab and released in the crop. Few years ago, woolly aphid became a major pest on sugarcane. Micromass insect was used as predator. Eggs of this insect was produced in the lab on large scale and distributed to the farmers. Likewise, ladybird beetles are the well-known predators in the nature. These attractive tiny beetles predate on aphids and scale insects. Green lacewing bugs are also the useful predators. Adult lacewing bug lays eggs in groups on leaves and other parts of the plant. Larvae emerging out of these eggs feed on the eggs and larvae of other insects. 1,000 eggs of green lacewing bug are sufficient for 1 acre. It predates on mites, whitefly, lice, American bollworm of cotton, etc. Snakes, frogs, spiders, and dragonfly, etc. are the efficient predators in the nature. If we stop spraying pesticides and allow them to survive, they will do their work effectively. Many species of microorganisms are used for biological control of pests and diseases. NPV is popular for the control of American bollworm of cotton and armyworm. This virus solution is mixed in water and sprayed in evening hours. NPV enters the body of the pest larvae with the food. Affected larvae die within 2 to 5 days by drooping down their head. NPV spreads to the whole crop from these dead larvae. 250 milliliter of 100 LE NPV is mixed with 250 grams of jaggery and 100 milliliters of soft soap. This is sufficient for spraying 1 acre crops. It is recommended to use manual sprayers for this purpose. Bacillus thuringiensis or BT bacteria is very popular for biological pest control. This enters the body of the pest insect through digestive tract and produces poisonous protein. BT is effective for the control of butterflies, moths, beetles, and flies. There are some pathogenic fungi of pest insects. Beauveria bassiana fungus works against whitefly, thrips, aphids, and weevils. Pasilomyces fumosoroseus fungus controls whitefly, aphid, and thrips. Metarhizium fungus kills beetles, bugs, spider mites, etc. Certain fungi are useful for the control of diseases also. Trichoderma horsianum is the important one. It inhibits the growth of pathogenic fungi by producing antibiotics, competitive growth, and by suppression. Trichoderma is commercially used against botrytis rot, fusarium wilt, and phytophthora diseases. Trichoderma cultured in lab is mixed with organic manure and applied around the base of the plant. It is necessary to maintain enough organic matter and moisture for further multiplication of trichoderma in the garden. Do not apply any fertilizer after applying trichoderma. Likewise, Pseudomonas fungus is also popular for biological control of many diseases.